So guys, for the first method, once you're on Excel, in the top left, you want to click on File. And now, in the bottom left, you want to click on Options. And now once you're on this, you want to click on Trust Center. And then select Trust Center Settings. And then select Protected View. You want to untick everything here. And then click on OK. Now you can try to open the file, see if that works. After you open the file, you want to go back to Trust Center Settings, and then go to Protected View again. You want to tick all these boxes, and then click on OK. See if that works. For the second method, you want to click on File in the top left, and then click on Open, and then click on Browse. You want to find the Excel document that you want to open. Once you find it, just click on it one time, and now where it says Open, you want to click on the drop down, and then select Open and Repair. And then click on Repair, and then click on Close. See if that works.